This bag was sagging, dirty, and useless in the rain, but look at it now. Structured and properly conditioned, ready for the outdoors. Most people overcomplicate this. I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process and toolkit that cuts your maintenance time in half and guarantees professional results so you can keep more money in your pocket. No fluff, no wasted time. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Dry brush. To prevent your bag from drying out and breaking down, a simple brush down after each use is what makes a piece like this last a lifetime. This is because dirt and debris can dry out and rot the canvas fibers over time. And if your bag happens to get soaked, that mixture of dirt and moisture can make your bag take a quick turn for the worst. So make sure you stick around for my simple and easy waterproofing step coming up shortly. Step 2. Structure. It's time to reshape our canvas and give it back some body to further prevent wrinkles where dirt and debris can get trapped and degrade your canvas. Stuff the bag until it's firm with either towels or packing paper, but don't overstretch the fibers. And if your canvas is waxed, it may be hard to reshape, so all you have to do is take a hairdryer on warm setting or a heat gun and just gently warm up the bag to reshape it. This gives you a solid surface to clean against. For step 3, we're using Obenauf's CLEANIT. Many other cleaners can damage your leather or leave residue on canvas that affect its performance. CLEANIT's simple 3-ingredient formula safely cleans both canvas and leather without compromising their durability or water resistance. I'm just applying a light spritz directly to the canvas and then wiping it off with a rag. From here, it's really important to let it fully dry because if you spray waterproofing products onto damp fabric, you may just be sealing the moisture inside, which causes rot. So patience here is key. Just a quick shout out to Obenauf for sponsoring this video. I only partner with brands I trust and use myself, and I always ask for something tangible for the community, and they wanted to offer us an exclusive limited time 15% discount when you use the code Evumies. That way you can get the same proven products while keeping more money in your pocket. And if you want to keep your gear protected and ready for real outdoor use, feel free to use the code at obenauf.com or use the link in the description. If you guys want to avoid the mistakes that ruin your canvas bags, here are 3 pro tips that save time, money, and keep your bags looking rugged. First, skip the washing machine. Agitation and detergents can warp the fabric and damage any leather trim. Second, don't soak it if you don't have to. Too much water weakens the canvas fibers and can shrink your bag. Finally, avoid harsh chemical cleaners which can strip coatings, fade colors, and kill the bag's water resistance. Following these tips keeps your bag strong, durable, and ready for the outdoors. If your bag does get caught in the rain, don't panic. Canvas is durable and can handle getting wet, but the key is to let it dry naturally. Never use high heat or toss it in the dryer. Once dry, you can simply apply a waterproofing product to maintain protection. But here's where most people go wrong. They treat leather the same way that they treat canvas. So on to our next step, conditioning. For outdoor leather, we'll be using Obenauf's wax-based leather preservative, which will hydrate the leather as well as give it that water repellent barrier. This heavy-duty LP is great for all types of leather. Just note that due to waxes, it may darken your leather depending on how much you use. I will also say that this isn't just for leather on canvas bags. Obenauf's heavy-duty LP resists water, preserves, restores, and conditions leather shoes, belts, holsters, sheaths, saddlebags, tool pouches, and athletic gear. Pretty much anything you can think of, even furniture. However, for the most effective water repellency, let's move to our next step, waterproofing. This is where Obenauf's Watershield does the heavy lifting for you. Most people avoid re-waterproofing canvas because the traditional methods are just a pain. Wax bars require heat, constant rubbing, and a lot of patience, and even then it's easy to miss spots or end up with uneven protection. Noting that Watershield is not to be used on leather because it'll clog the pores, here's how it works. Spray in a well-ventilated area and hold the bottle about 6 inches away. Light misting is the goal, not soaking. Use a simple crisscross pattern, horizontal and then vertical, so every fiber is coated evenly. Apply 1 light coat at a time, wait about an hour, and then repeat. 4 light coats are far more effective than 1 heavy application, and they take less effort overall. Once finished, let the bag cure for 24 hours because this step is what allows the silicone to properly bond to the canvas, giving you long-lasting protection that holds up to real outdoor use. And that's how you keep a canvas and leather bag rugged and ready for anything. With the water beating off your canvas and your leather properly conditioned, thank God you didn't spend all afternoon melting wax. But guys, don't stop here. You can use this exact same kit linked in the description for your boots, jackets, or any other outdoor gear that needs protection. So get out there and get your gear ready for the season. And if you want to master leather care for your footwear specifically, click this video for your boots next. Remember to love your leather.